Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing this anime look which is just absolutely beautiful. It's called the Pixie inspired anime look because it kind of gives me like Pixie vibes, and let's get into it. So you have my beautiful model and we are going to start with the lash mapping. So the curls that we're going to use are LC and a J curl to achieve this beautiful Pixie inspired look. I definitely suggest using specialty curls when it comes to your anime sets because they're going to give them more of a dimensional look rather than just using your standard kind of C curl or D curls. I am going to be doing 3mm difference between the highest points of the peaks compared to the filler lengths, so it will be 3mm longer than the actual filler lashes. In this set we are going to be doing a mixture of 2D peaks and 4D peaks to create that difference and that very like pixie lash effect. So now I'm going to be mapping out the eye just to see exactly where I want those different lengths to be, and this is exactly how I do this. In the inner corner, the highest length of my peaks is going to be an 8, and then I'm going to jump up to a 10. Focusing on the arch of the brow, I'm going to jump up to a 14, and that is going to be my LC curl. Then I'm going to be jumping down to a 13 on the outer corner and a 12 for the middle of the eye. I've just popped the 3mm there just so I know for my filler lashes are going to be 3mm shorter than the highest points of the peaks. And then just adding in exactly where I'm going to put the different curls on the eyes, just so I'm clear exactly where I'm going to be placing them. Like I said, there is going to be a difference in peaks, so I'm going to have 4D and 2D peaks and mix them up just to create this beautiful pixie lash look. I also like to just pop a directional arrow there just so I know exactly when the lash is going to start turning towards the outer corner of the eye. Mapping done, so let's start lashing. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to repeat exactly what we've just done, and I'm just going to pop them on the iPads just so I know exactly what I'm doing when I actually start lashing. So I'm going to start with my peaks, and I like to start at the arch of the brow. So this is my LC curl just to give it that lift right on the arch of the brow, and I'm going to actually be doing a 4D peak. I do have an online Wispy class coming out very soon, so if you need to know how to make these peaks, then definitely watch out for that because I go into great detail into exactly how you create these anime peaks. A tip when it comes to these peaks is to take your time and to make sure that the direction is correct and is actually facing the right direction as where you want those peaks to stand. And then I just repeat exactly what I've done on one eye to the other. I just wanted to pause it there so you can see just how beautiful these peaks are turning out. You have to trust the process. It is a bit of a process when it comes to anime sets, but you have to trust it and just keep checking that mirror to see the direction that they're going in and that they are all looking exactly how you want them to look. Because at this point there's still time to adjust, there's still time to correct anything that hasn't exactly kind of worked out perfectly the way you wanted it to. I'm literally obsessed with them already because they look so pixie-fied and they just look so textured, and I just love these anime peaks. So as you can see, I've definitely gone in, I've done way more of the 4D and the 2D peaks, and I'm just looking for anything that I need to correct, but I'm really happy with the way they are turning out. And then going in with my filler lashes just to fill in the gaps in between, but I don't, this is definitely not a set where you want them to be dark and very like heavy, because remember we are doing a pixie inspired anime set, so I do want to keep them quite sparse and just so you can see the real difference in texture with the peaks and the filler lashes. And now it is time for the big reveal, and they are beautiful. Oh my gosh, these turned out even better than I thought they were because they are stunning. They suited my model so much, like she's beautiful, and the lashes just complemented her eyes so well. That's it, my lovelies. I hope this has helped with your anime sets, and remember to like and subscribe to my channel because there are going to be a ton more videos on these kind of lash looks. Please leave a comment down below with the type of videos that you would like to see. Bye!